Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be good. Today we are studying about the science objective question. My first question is the SI unit of the electric current is option A volt, option B ohm, option C ampere, option D coulombs. So the SI unit of the electric current is the ampere. Now we see the next question. Second question is electric potential difference is measured in option A है ampere, option B ohms, option C है volt, option D joule. So the electric potential difference is measured in volt, option C correct. Now we see the question number third. The instrument used to measure current in a circuit is voltmeter, option B है ammeter, option C है galvanometer, option D है rheostat. So we say the ammeter is used to measure the electric current in the series combination. Now we see the question number 4. The instrument used to measure potential difference is option A ammeter, option B rheostat, option C voltmeter, option D galvanometer. Their answer will be voltmeter. Option C is correct. Now we see the question number 5. Ohm's law state that V is equal to IR, I is equal to VR, R is equal to VI, P is equal to VI. So Ohm's law state that V is equal to IR, so option A is correct. Now the question number 6. Resistance of a conductor depends on option A length, option B area of the cross section, option C material of the conductor, option C all of these. Their answer will be all of these. The SI unit of the resistance is option A joule, option B ohm, option C ampere, option D volt. The SI unit of resistance is the ohm. Option B is correct. Now see the question number 8. The resistance of a wire increase when length is increased, temperature decreases, area increases, length decreases. So problem, the resistance of wire increases when option A is current length is increases. On increasing the length increases the resistance. Now see the question number 9. Which device is used to regulate the current in the electric circuit? Option A ammeter, option B rheostat, option C है voltmeter, option D है battery. So their answer will be rheostat. Rheostat is the device which control the flow of the current. Now question number 10. If the potential difference is the doubled, the current will be option A become half, option B become double, option C remains same, option D become zero. Their answer will be option B become double. Now we see the question number 11. The commercial unit of the electrical energy is joule, option B watt, option C kilowatt ghanta, option D volt. So their answer will be kilowatt ghanta. Option C will be correct. Now see the question number 12. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 joule, 3600 joule, 3.6 into 10 की power 6 joule, 36 into 10 की power 6 joule. Their answer will be option C is correct. 3.6 into 10 की power 6 joule. Now the question number 13. The current through a resistor is 0.5 ampere when the potential difference of the 10 volt applied, the resistance is तो 10 upon 0.5 multiply by 10 above or below, तो then 100 upon 5, तो हो जाएगा आंसर विल बी सी, द 20 ohms resistance will be 20. Power is equal to V into I. ऑप्शन बी आई इंटू आर, ऑप्शन सी वी अपॉन आई, ऑप्शन डी आई स्क्वायर। तो पावर इज इक्वल वी इंटू आई, ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 15, द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ द पावर इज ऑप्शन ए जूल, ऑप्शन बी वाट, ऑप्शन सी ओम, ऑप्शन डी एम्पियर। तो द एसआई यूनिट ऑफ पावर इज द वाट, सो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट। Now we see the question number 6. The device that convert chemical energy into electrical energy is option A galvano generator, option B battery, option C motor, option D transformer. Their answer will be B battery. Battery is the device which changes the chemical energy into the electrical energy. Now question number 13. In the series circuit, the total resistance is option A sum of the individual resistance, B less than the smallest resistance, C equal to the one resistance only, option D product of the all resistance. So answer will be option A is correct, sum of the individual resistance. Now we see the question number 18. In question number 18, in a parallel circuit, the total resistance, option A increases, option B decreases, option C remains constant, option D becomes zero. So there will be decreases, so option B is correct. Now, question number 19. Electric current is a flow of atoms, neutrons, electrons, protons. The electric circuit is a flow of the electrons. So, option C is correct. Now, 20 question number. The heating effect of the electric current is used in electric bulb, electric iron, electric heater, all of these. So their option will be D. So the heating effect protect electric bulb, electric iron and electric heater. So thank you so much nice.